How to manifest your dream job. Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome back to my channel. This is Priya, your manifestation coach. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how I manifested my dream job several years ago. But first, if you would like to get coached by me, I offer an online course, Manifest Your SP Mastery. This is where I show you step by step exactly how to manifest the version of your specific person that you desire. I also offer monthly membership coaching. This is where you can get live coaching with me on a weekly basis to really stay on top of your manifestation game. And finally, I also offer one-on-one coaching to help you manifest anything that your heart desires. You can get access to any of these offerings by simply clicking the link below in the description box. Okay, let's get back to this video, how to manifest your dream job. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you how I manifested my dream job, maybe like 10 years back now, when I used to work in corporate London by applying the law. So step one is to get really clear on what your dream job looks like. So back then, I used to work in corporate London, and I made a list of what my dream job looks like. For me, it wasn't at a specific company. Like, you might know these details. You might be like, it's this specific company with this role and I want this amount of salary, etc., etc. For me, I didn't have a specific company in mind. I just made a list of things that were general. Like, I make X amount a year. I love my job. I feel great about my job. I feel excited every day to go into work. And then I also had things in there about my manager. Things like, my manager always gives me autonomy because my prior manager used to micromanage me and I didn't like that. So I got kind of clear on the things that I wanted by understanding the things that I didn't like about my previous job. And then I had things in there about the culture and the environment of the people that I was going to work with. So things like, everybody in my team is super collaborative instead of like competitive, and we all get on so well, and there's a lot of harmony and things like that in there. So these are some things that I want you to think about when it comes to your dream job. It's not just about the role and the salary. Yes, that's definitely one aspect of it, but you also kind of want to think about the team that you're going to work with, your manager, or if you're managing people, you want to think about people that you're managing. How does that feel to you? How is that going to be to you? Do you have a team that's so easy to manage and they're such a great team and they always produce great results? You want to think about those things, and then you want to think about the culture and the environment. Remember, you're the creator of your reality, so it gets to be however you want it to be. So once you're clear on what this looks like, then step two is to live from your desired reality. How do you do this? You begin to think from your desired reality. So in order to do this, you want to curate some affirmations that imply your end. So maybe it looks something like, I love my dream job. I love driving into work every day. My dream job is so satisfying. I love getting paid to do this. Something that implies you already have your dream job. And then what you want to do is practice identifying with this version of you now in the present moment. This is where repeating your affirmations come in super handy. You want to saturate your mind with this so that you are being the version of you that is already in your dream job. Now, if you are somebody who's currently working in a place that you don't like, which is where I was at that time, the way that I dealt with this was that there's two things you can do. Either you remove yourself from this situation, which wasn't an option for me because I was dependent on the cash flow back then. So then the second option was, I have to change the way that I feel about where I am, or change my perspective about where I am. So initially, I really hated where I was. I didn't like my manager, things like that. And so what I did was I shifted my perspective instead to, I'm going to make this fun. So in my mind, I was affirming for my new job, right? My dream job. And then in the 3D, whilst I was in the job that I didn't like, I started to change the way I felt about my current job. I began to change my perspective. I began to make it fun. I began to give myself little tasks. Like, let's see if I can finish this project in an hour or by the end of today. So I began to make my current situation fun. I began to change my perspective about it, because if I sat there condemning it, complaining about it, then what I'm doing is I'm keeping it stuck in my reality, because I'm focusing on the fact that I don't liking it. I'm giving it attention. So I'm saturating my subconscious mind with that, and my subconscious mind is going to give me more of that. So that's not what you want to do. If you're in a situation or in a current job that you don't like, just change your perspective about it. Understand that it's just temporary, and in your mind, keep affirming for your dream job. And understand that when the news story becomes dominant within you, your subconscious mind must produce proof of this to you in your 3D reality. You will be led to your manifestation. So in my case, what happened was this. Firstly, I got a pay raise in my current job. Now, this was something that was very unusual, because for 2 years, I had been trying to get a pay raise from that job, but every time the company would come back and say, oh, the company doesn't have enough money this year, blah, blah, blah. But then I found out about the law. And so I started to apply the law, and I was just like, look, this is the amount of salary that I want. This is what my dream job looks like, etc., etc. And I began to live in the end. So the first thing that happened was, with my current job that I didn't like, out of nowhere, they gave me a pay raise. Now, it wasn't the number that I wanted, but it was still a big step up. From there, I was talking to a friend one day, and I was sharing with this friend, I'm looking for a different role. I'm sort of complete with this company now. I want something different. And then this friend happened to tell me, oh my God, I know somebody who is looking to recruit for this type of role, and I think it might be a good fit for you. So it was something that was very casual. When I was sharing this information with this friend, I had no idea that this friend would present this opportunity to me. So that was just the bridge of events. So what happens is they give me the email address of this person. I email this person. This was my future manager. And so me and him meet up for a coffee, and 5 minutes in, he tells me about the job. I'm like, oh my God, I didn't even know this type of role existed. And then he tells me the job is mine, and then he writes down the number of the salary that I would be getting, and it was the exact number that I'd written down when I was making my list of my dream job. And so I got the job. That's how I got my job back then, and it was everything I'd written down on my list. It was a very collaborative team. The manager was great. He gave me a lot of autonomy, and the best thing about it is I didn't have to go looking for it. I didn't have to go hand out my CVs and go applying for a new job and do all this interview, blah, 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 blah. Like, I skipped all of that because I was operating multidimensionally by living from my end. When you live from your end, your subconscious mind takes care of the how. You don't have to go and do the logical stuff that most people do in the 3D, which there's nothing wrong with, just that I knew that it would come to me and that I didn't have to lift a finger. So as long as I lived in my end, that it would happen. So that's how it happened for me back then when I used to work in corporate, like another lifetime ago. So if you currently want to manifest your dream job, all you have to do is get really crystal clear on what that looks like for you. Then live from your desired reality. Think from your end, no matter what the 3D is showing you or not showing you. Don't think about the how. Your subconscious mind will take care of the how. And if you are in a position right now where you don't like your current job, you want to change your perspective around this. I'm not saying that you have to love it, but what I'm saying is you want to make going into work easier for you. You want to lessen the resistance so that you're not pushing against where you currently are, and condemning it and complaining about it, whining about it, bitching about it, because that just keeps it stuck in your reality. Instead, you just want to understand it's temporary. Make the most of it. Make it fun. Do things to make it much more better and lighthearted for you. And it's going to look very different for everybody. Like for me, I would do things like I would get myself Starbucks coffee every morning as a little treat. I would give myself little deadlines by saying, okay, instead of taking 2 days to finish this project, let me see if I can finish it in 1 day. I would sort of make it into a game so that it allowed me to stop hating where I was. And that will really help you to just change your energy around the whole thing. Whilst I was doing this, I want you to remember that I was still living from my end. Like in my mind, I was still thinking from my desired reality. I was still walking around knowing that my dream job is done. And anytime I had opposing thoughts, I would shift it. I would go back to the end in my consciousness, and I kept identifying as the version of me that was already in my dream job. And that's all you have to do. This work is truly simple. Curate some affirmations that apply your end. Think from your desired reality consistently. When the new story becomes dominant within you that implies your subconscious mind must produce proof of this to you in your 3D reality. You will be led, you will be guided to your dream job. You don't need to look for it. It will come to you. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day or a wonderful evening. Mwah.